The Picoo A2 and B1 have a sleek, weather-resistant design that is ideal for outdoor use. They feature human and vehicle detection and auto-tracking technology for improved security, as well as a preset point function and cruise mode for customizable surveillance. The cameras also have smart dual light and active deterrence capabilities to deter intruders, along with a two-way talk feature for communication. They offer reliable connections through Bluetooth and AP pairing. Overall, the Dahua Picoo is an ideal choice for outdoor security, particularly for small to medium-sized businesses. For more information about our products, you can visit the links below or contact your local Dahua retailer. As always, this has been your friendly Dahua assistant, Danny. Don't forget to subscribe and click that bell notification icon. Stay tuned for more informative videos right here at Dahua Technology, enabling a smarter society and better living.